how to create Fantasy Premier League account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can register on Fantasy Premier League. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that you have to launch the Fantasy Premier League application in your device. If you don't have the application, then you may have to install it from the Google Play Store. So once you land on this kind of interface, if you already have an account, you could simply sign in. If not, head over to join option. That's gonna take you to a different page in your browser. So here you can you can register using your email, or you could also join with your Facebook account, with your Google account, your Apple account, or with Twitter account. So for now, we will head over with email address. So provide your email address, then tap on join with email. Now once you're here, you have to create a password. So create your password for your account on Fantasy Premier League. Under that, you have to enter your first name and also your last name. Scroll down a bit, then provide your date of birth. After that, select your gender. Then you have to select the country of your residence or the country that you are living in. You could also select your nationality, but that is optional. You could also provide your phone number if you want. If not, you could also skip that. Then tap on all the terms and agreements. Once done, tap on create an account. Now you have to confirm or you have to complete the verification. You will receive verification in your Gmail. So search or check out your Gmail and you could type the verification code into the prompt. So open up Gmail, head over to the inbox. Then all you have to do is copy the code. Once you have copied the code, head back to the verification prompt, then paste it here. Then tap on continue. Now it says your account has been created. Tap on continue to sign in. With that, now your account is created and you are logged in. After that, you could follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.